And there's a weird glitch right now. I am dancing in the jam session. And I don't know how this happened. I'm in at my friend's den, and I don't know if I can play this stuff. I can play the instruments, but... And look, it says I have 0 money. And there's nothing in here. And I have a little bit money too. See, there's nothing. And it says Jam Session Shop. And the weird part, there's 2 of me right here. I don't know how this happened. I can play the instruments, but I can't, like, buy anything. I'm at my friend's den. This guy. I'm at his den, and then I went to the party, and I glitched in the party with his den stuff. I don't know how this happened. Let me see. I wonder how this happened. I'm just like, I don't know if this glitch has been done before, but I think it is. But I don't know why I don't have any money and no stuff. It's weird. Let's see if it works. Oh, there we go. Okay, it got fixed. But that was weird. I don't even know how that happened. Huh. I didn't do anything. Now I'm at the normal party. Let me try that again. Okay. And then I clicked parties. And then I went to jam session. Oh, okay, it's good. It was bad. Huh. Sorry. I wonder how this happened. I have no idea how this happened. That was just a fast glitch, so this is all. Oh my god, now he's talking about the girl.
Careful! I'm going down there.
It's that person I told you to report.
Oh.
Remember this one? It was another way.
My hand. My hand. It goes to my
But he's normal now. He's not disgusting anymore.
Oh, again? Yeah, throw your hand back. That's really right.
So yeah, he's okay. I want that flower crown. Oh my gosh, there she is. she left. I'll give you a rare. I don't know if this is fair. I guess she doesn't know if it's rare. Let's see where she is. This person.
Why'd you do that? What? Did you do that?
Well, that was it. I don't know what I'm doing this. I'm just doing what he's doing.
If no one revives him in time, he'll be dead forever.
Well, that was all. So, here's the drama, but I'm not going to record that. Well, now I go to my thing.
I won. He lost.
Well, bye. It was Pony here.